Hey there, future Warren Buffetts and aspiring Sheryl Sandbergs. Ready to turn your spare change into a mountain of moolah? Whether you're saving for that dream vacation, a down payment on a house, or just want to prove to your cat that you're a financial genius, I've got the scoop for you. Today, we're diving into the top 5 investment apps for beginners. Grab your popcorn because we're about to make finance fun and fabulous. Why investment apps? Before we dive into the apps, let's talk about why you should even consider investment apps in the first place. Remember those days when investing meant calling your broker, who was probably sipping on a martini and wearing suspenders? Well, those days are gone. Now, investing is as easy as swiping right. On your phone, not on Tinder. Investment apps are your new BFFs because they're user-friendly. If you can order pizza through an app, you can invest. Affordable. No need to sell a kidney to start investing. Educational. Learn while you earn. Convenient. Invest from your couch, bed, or even the toilet. Hey, we don't judge. App number 1. Robinhood, the OG of investing apps. Robinhood is like the cool kid at school who also happens to be a straight-A student. Launched in 2013, it's been a game changer in the investing world. And guess what? It's commission-free. That's right, no more paying through the nose to make trades. User interface, sleek and simple. Even your grandma could use it. No fees. Did we mention it's free? Fractional shares. Invest in Amazon even if you can't afford a whole share. Cryptocurrencies. Because who doesn't want a piece of that Bitcoin pie? Pros. Easy to use. Great for stock and cryptocurrency trading. No account minimums. Cons. Limited customer support. No retirement accounts, IRAs. Robinhood is like that friend who always shows up at the party with free pizza. They don't ask for anything in return and make you wonder, what's the catch? But hey, just enjoy the pizza. App number 2. Acorns, the squirrel's favorite. Acorns is all about micro-investing. Think of it as your digital piggy bank that invests for you. It rounds up your purchases to the nearest dollar and invests the spare change. So next time you buy that overpriced latte, you're also padding your investment portfolio. Roundups automatically invest spare change. Found money. Earn extra cash back from participating retailers. Educational content. Learn the ABCs of investing. Retirement accounts. Start planning for your golden years. Pros. Great for beginners. Automated investing. Educational resources. The cons. Monthly fees. Limited investment options. Acorns is like that friend who always picks up your dropped coins and saves them for you. They might be a little quirky, but you'll thank them when you're rolling in dough. App number 3. Stash, the personal shopper. Stash is like having a personal finance advisor in your pocket. It not only helps you invest, but also educates you on the ins and outs of the stock market. Plus, it offers fractional shares, so you can own a piece of your favorite companies without breaking the bank. Fractional shares. Own a piece of the big players. Automatic investing. Set it and forget it. Educational content. Learn with Stash Learn. Banking services. Get a debit card and banking services. Pros. Easy to use. Great educational resources. Banking services included. Cons. Monthly fees. Limited customer support. Stash is like your financially savvy friend who always knows the best deals and tips. They're the ones who'll tell you, don't buy that latte, invest it instead. Annoying, but also right. App number 4. Webull, the analyst's dream. Webull is for those who want to take their investing game up a notch. It offers in-depth analysis tools, real-time market data, and a sleek professional interface. It's perfect for the aspiring day trader or anyone who wants to feel like a Wall Street pro. Advanced charting. Get all the data you need. Commission-free trades. Save your money for more trades. Extended hours trading. Trade when others are sleeping. Paper trading. Practice without risking real money. Pros. Great for advanced users. No fees. Excellent analysis tools. Cons. Can be overwhelming for beginners. No fractional shares. Webull is like that friend who's always reading financial news and throwing out terms like Bollinger Bands and Fibonacci retracement. You might not always understand them, but you know they're onto something big. App number 5. M1 Finance, the pie maker. M1 Finance is unique because it combines investing with a bit of robo-advising. You create a custom portfolio, a pie, and M1 Finance automates the whole process. It's like having a personal chef for your investments. Customizable pies. Create your perfect investment mix. Automatic rebalancing. Keep your investments on track. No fees. Invest without hidden costs. Fractional shares. Own pieces of high-priced stocks. Pros: highly customizable, no fees, automated investing. Cons: limited customer support, can be complex for beginners. M1 Finance is like that friend who always bakes perfect pies for every occasion. You don't know how they do it, but you're happy to enjoy the delicious results. How to choose the right app. Choosing the right investment app is like picking the right ice cream flavor. Everyone has different tastes. Here's a quick guide to help you decide. Ease of use. If you're new to investing, pick an app with a simple interface. Fees. Be aware of any hidden costs. You want to make money, not spend it on fees. Features. Look for the features that matter most to you, like fractional shares or educational resources. Support. Make sure there's someone to help if you run into trouble. My final thoughts. Investing doesn't have to be scary or complicated. With these top 5 investment apps, you can start small, learn as you go, and maybe even have a little fun along the way. Remember, the best time to start investing was yesterday. The second best time is now. So what are you waiting for? Download one of these apps and start building your financial future today. And that's a wrap. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and let me know in the comments which app you're excited to try. Until next time, happy investing. Frequently asked questions. 1. What is microinvesting? Microinvesting is like a magical process where your spare change turns into investments. Imagine you buy a coffee for $3.50 and your app rounds it up to $4, investing that extra 50 cents. Over time, those little amounts add up. 2. Are these apps safe? Yes, these apps are designed with security in mind. They use encryption and other security measures to protect your information. But always remember to use strong passwords and enable two-factor authentication. 3. Can I lose money? Investing always comes with risks. The value of your investments can go up and down, but don't let that scare you. Over the long term, investing is one of the best ways to grow your wealth. 4. How much should I invest? Start with what you're comfortable with. Many apps allow you to start with just a few dollars. The key is to start and gradually increase your investments as you learn more. 5. Can I withdraw my money anytime? Yes, most apps allow you to withdraw your money anytime. But keep in mind that selling investments might take a couple of days to process. The road to financial freedom. Investing is a journey, not a sprint. With these investment apps, you're well equipped to start that journey. Whether you're saving for a rainy day, planning a vacation, or thinking about retirement, investing can help you reach your financial goals. So, take a deep breath, download an app, and start investing today. Your future self will thank you.